Most beginner 3D printers on Amazon are slow, clunky setups with temperamental firmware that frustrate new users. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Are you tired of guessing which beginner printer won't waste your time and money? Well, don't worry, as we've got you covered. Today, I'm going to be going over the best 3D printer for beginners that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Creality Ender 3. This entry-level unit invites newcomers to explore essential three-dimensional printing concepts through hands-on assembly and practical budget-friendly design. The build uses a robust open frame and a compact footprint suitable for cramped desks and shared classroom spaces. For students and hobbyists, the Ender 3 offers a forgiving learning curve with basic assembly that typically requires a couple of hours. An especially valuable feature is the resume printing function, which picks up where a power interruption ends, preserving progress and reducing waste. The upgraded extruder technology minimizes plugging risks and ensures smoother extrusion, while V-shaped wheels on rails deliver quieter, more reliable movement. A safety-protected power supply reduces warm-up time so the hotbed reaches operating temperatures quickly while maintaining safe electrical isolation. Note that this printer prints via SD card or connected computer and cannot print directly from a phone, which influences workflow. The manufacturer emphasizes strict component testing before delivery and recommends confirming power supply voltage is set to the correct value before powering on. Constructing the Ender 3 involves aligning axes, tightening fasteners, and calibrating the bed level, which teaches practical mechanical troubleshooting. In real-world tests, the Ender 3 delivers reliable prints, though at slower speeds compared to premium printers, making it suitable for learning. Compared to the Prusa i3 MK3, the Ender 3 saves money and space while demanding more manual calibration. The pros include incredibly low price, robust community support, and abundant upgrade options for ongoing learning and customization. The cons include slower print speeds at high-quality settings and a somewhat manual assembly process that may deter impatient users. Community resources surrounding the Ender 3 continue to expand with user blogs, tutorial videos, and shared calibration profiles for common filaments. If you are starting out, this printer offers affordability and educational value, while you should plan for calibration and basic tooling. At number 4, we have the Geeetech Mini 3D printer. From unboxing to daily use, this beginner-oriented device radiates user-friendliness with a fully assembled design tailored for students and families. The chassis showcases a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels exceptionally durable in daily classroom or home use, inspiring confidence during first prints. Weighing about 2.4 pounds, the Geeetech Mini remains portable enough for desks, dorm rooms, or school demonstrations without sacrificing stability. Its direct drive extruder uses dual metal gears with a gear ratio up to 1:5, delivering stronger extrusion for tough filaments. The auto leveling system features 16-point full auto leveling, aligning the bed precisely for each print and reducing failed first layers. Out of the box, fully assembled operation keeps setup minimal, enabling even newcomers to initiate their first project with a single knob action. A bright 2.4-inch LCD color screen pairs with a PEI-coated build plate, simplifying monitoring and improving first-layer adhesion. The build plate uses a flexible magnetic surface with a removable magnetic sheet, minimizing model warping and easing model removal after prints. The build area measures about 100 by 110 by 100 millimeters, enabling compact prints without overwhelming desktop space. Compared to the Prusa Mini Plus, the Geeetech Mini offers auto leveling and a friendlier price point. The pros include compact build, easy setup, and reliable auto leveling. The cons include moderate print speed for a budget option and limited community support compared to peers. Friendly warranty includes 30 days of worry-free return or replacement and 12 months of free repair with lifetime professional technical support. For classrooms, hobbyists, and homes, the Geeetech Mini delivers approachable features, reliable performance, and a budget-friendly path into practical three-dimensional printing. At number 3, we have the Anycubic Kobra X. From unboxing to first use, the Kobra X signals beginner-friendly intent with an intuitive interface and straightforward setup guidance. The build area measures approximately 260 millimeters on each axis, while the frame remains robust and neatly integrated. The Kobra X supports 4-color standard printing and expands to 19 colors via ACE 2 Pro modules, enabling vibrant multi-material results. LeviQ 3.0 auto leveling uses 49 probes and vibration compensation to guarantee a perfect first layer straight from box. The system delivers up to 600 millimeters per second travel speed, enabling rapid prints while preserving detail through advanced motion control. With an ultra-quiet operation under 48 decibels, it fits living rooms and classrooms without disrupting study or relaxation. An AI-powered monitoring system uses a 720p camera for real-time alerts, object detection, and spaghetti prevention. Power loss recovery and filament runout sensors safeguard ongoing prints, reducing wasted material and frustration during long multi-day projects. Compared with the Creality Ender 3v2, the Kobra X offers easier setup and more reliable first layers. The pros include auto bed leveling, multicolor printing, and quiet operation. The cons include higher price and larger footprint. In real-world testing, the Kobra X printed a range of models with strong layer adhesion, crisp corners, and consistent extrusion. During classroom demos and home use, the firmware showed stability and the AI alerts helped catch misprints early, saving time. This model suits absolute beginners, educators, and hobbyists seeking speed, reliability, and creative color projects without a steep learning curve. If you want a fast, easy-to-use, multicolor-capable printer for beginners, the Anycubic Kobra X checks many essential boxes. At number 2, we have the FLASHFORGE AD5M. From the initial glance, this printer signals approachable usability for beginners while promising consistent results that satisfy more experienced makers. Ideal for hobbyists and classrooms, it balances straightforward operation with advanced potential, inviting curious creators to start simple and ramp up complexity. The frame boasts a sturdy all-metal core XY motion system that remains stable under high speed while maintaining smooth, low-noise operation. The design integrates a patent-pending quick-release nozzle system that enables rapid tool-free changes across multiple diameters for flexible printing. The print area measures 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, offering room for practical projects. The automated leveling system performs a precise nozzle to build plate distance measurement, eliminating manual tweaking and enabling a reliable first layer. The core XY motion structure is all metal, delivering high-speed stability and low noise, with smooth acceleration during rapid movements. The patent quick-release nozzle offers 4 diameters: 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8 millimeters. Orca FlashForge Slicer enables one-click batch file transmission and multi-printer network monitoring, while FlashMaker APP allows remote device management. With a resume function, the printer can recover after outages, and the flexible PEI double-sided plate eases model removal. In real-world testing, prints exhibit consistent first-layer adhesion, reliable layer alignment, and smooth travel with reduced vibrations at higher speeds. Compared with the Ultimaker S3, the FLASHFORGE AD5M offers automatic bed leveling and nozzle changes, though the price remains higher. The pros include one-click auto leveling, all-metal core XY motion, and quick-release nozzle. Cons include a steeper learning curve from mastering the Orca FlashForge tools, and occasional nozzle calibration may be required. At number 1, we have the Anycubic Kobra X. Designed for beginners and families, the Kobra X combines intuitive setup with safety-minded features, welcoming newcomers into reliable multicolor printing. The chassis sports a sturdy all-metal frame with thoughtfully rounded edges, offering a compact footprint suitable for desks, workshops, and classrooms. A quiet 45 decibel operating profile paired with a sleek low-profile design helps it blend into home offices and learning spaces. The printer ships with 4 built-in color channels and can expand up to 19 colors, enabling rapid prototypes and vibrant displays. By optimizing toolpaths and purge routines, it conserves filament and reduces travel by 81.25%, doubling throughput. LeviQ 3.0 Auto Bed Leveling uses a 49-point calibration to guarantee bed flatness and enables printing within minutes. The companion app provides AI monitoring features such as spaghetti detection and foreign object detection, while offering remote control and live status tracking. A vast catalog of models is accessible through the Anycubic ecosystem, and the generous 3-dimensional print volume supports sizable prototypes. Compared with the Creality Ender 5 Plus, the Kobra X offers faster multicolor printing and broader material support with simpler setup. The pros include versatile color options, auto bed leveling, and fast printing speed. The cons include high price and large footprint. Advanced connectivity supports dual-band Wi-Fi and LAN, enabling seamless remote monitoring and file transfer without tethering to a single router. The built-in camera and AI features further elevate reliability by enabling early issue detection and remote assistance for mismatches or jams. Overall, the Anycubic Kobra X positions itself as a comprehensive beginner-friendly platform that grows with hands-on families and educators.